Hi all. So today we are going to start our part number 5 for lecture number 17, which is lead categories. So today we are going to start from our category 2, which is sustainability sites, in short form SS. Here we can read its purpose, that why it is designed, means sustainable site, why it is designed. So purpose is to minimize environmental impacts on ecosystem and water resources. Also reduce site disturbance and promote biodiversity. And number next is mitigate heat island and light pollution effects. Number 4, purpose is encourage responsible site selection and design. In this category, it covers 10 points, means we can earn around 10 points if we comply all the requirements. Key focus areas are site protection, open space and habitat, rainwater management, heat island reduction, and light pollution control. So here we have 8 or 9 categories. So you can today our focus is sustainable sites, in short form SS. As I told you in my last lecture, that we have prerequisites and credits. So here for sustainable sites, we have prerequisite is construction activity pollution prevention, which is designed for reduced pollution from construction activities and to prevent soil erosion, sedimentation, and air pollution. What are requirements? Requirements are create and implement an erosion and sedimentation control plan, ESC plan, compliant with EPA construction general permits, which is also called CGPA standards. I have also a link for downloading this document, which is a document of around 60 to 70 pages. If you want, you can just write in a comment box that you want CDP requirement document. Plan must address soil erosion, waterway sedimentation, airborne dust, pollution from construction vehicles, and it applies to all the LEED projects. Means if any new construction projects or renovation project, it needs this category or this prerequisite, construction activity and pollution prevention. So it is mandatory and it has no points. Now we have credits. The first credit is site assessment, which has 1 point. The intent is to assess site conditions early to guide sustainable decisions. Requirements are conduct a site assessment covering topography, climate, hydrology, vegetation, soils, human use, adjacent properties, and documents required for that are site maps, photographs with time, date, stamp. Okay, and documentation also include narrative analysis. By complying, we can earn 1 point. As I mentioned on the top, that it has 1 point credit. The next credit is protect or restore habitat. It has 1 to 2 points. The intention is conserve existing natural areas and restore damaged ecosystem. Option 1 is protect habitat, 1 point. If we protect 40% of greenfield area, then we can earn 1 point, or restore 30% of previously disturbed site. Option 2 is restore habitat, which has 2 points, good points. So for this, we have to restore 40% of site area with native or adaptive plants. Additional requirements are no invasive species and vegetated roofs count with limits. After that, we have one more credit, which is open space, has 1 point. The intention is to provide accessible outdoor spaces for occupants. Requirements are outdoor spaces greater or less than 30% of total site area. It should must be comply or require accessible, visited or shaded, and free of parking and services areas. Qualifying spaces include gardens, courtyards, green roofs up to 50%, and last, it has 1 point credit. Next is rainwater management, which is considered a very important element or factor in this sustainable site part. It is a means a good score of around 3 points, 1 to 3 points. Okay, so intention is reduce runoff volume and improve water quality. Option 1 is percentile method. I will prepare a separate lecture on that what is percentile and what are natural land cover methods, what is difference between them. So option 1 is percentile method, which is manage runoff. 85th percentile rainfall, we can earn 2 points, and 90th percentile rainfall, we can earn 3 points. After that, we have option 2, which is natural land cover method, which is replicate pre-development hydrology. Strategies include are bio biowells, permeable paving, rain gardens, and detention ponds. We have one more credit, which is heat island reduction, which has 1 to 2 points. Intention is to reduce heat island effect and improve microclimate. Non-roof mayors covers shaded hardscapes, high albedo pavings, and vegetation. Roof mayors include high reflectant roofing, green roofs, and solar PV shadings. Points 1 point for partial compliance and 2 points for full compliance. Full compliance means roof and non-roof. Then we have more credit for that. We have light pollution reduction with 1 point. The purpose is to minimize light trespass and sky glow and protect nocturnal habitats. Requirements are meet bug rating system. Here we have small discussion on bug system, that what is bug rating system. Actually, bug rating system is applied to LEED sustainable sites for the light pollution. Bug stand for B for backlight, which is light spilling behind the fixture into adjacent properties or habitat. U for uplight, means light emitted upward in the sky or sky glow. And G is glare, means excessive brightness causing visual discomfort or safety issues. So requirements, we have to must comply bug rating system, and limits are applied light trespass at side boundaries and interior light spill. Applicable areas are exterior lighting, parking areas, and facade lighting. It has, as I earlier mentioned you, that it has 1 point. The next credit is high priority site, which has 1 to 2 points. Purpose is to encourage development on environmentally or socially valuable sites. Qualifying sites include historical districts, brownfields, federal or local priority sites, and infill locations. And it has 1 to 2 points depending on the site type. Then we have green vehicles, which has 1 point. The intention is reduce pollution from vehicle use. Requirements, we have to choose one. either preferred parking for green vehicles and EV charging stations and alternative fuel vehicle infrastructures. Threshold is greater or equal 5% of parking capacity and point is 1. Now we have a summary table of all the credits which we discussed in our last slides, credits and points. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 credits. Okay. And points are 10. So credits are site assessment, protect or restore habitat, open space, rainwater management, heat island reduction, light pollution reduction, high priority site, and green vehicles, which has 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, in total 10 points. The documentation required for this sustainable site are site plans and zoning drawings, landscape plans, lighting, photometric reports, stormwater calculations, erosion control plans, and plant species list. And common strategies for this, for getting or earning easy points are preserve existing vegetation, use native landscaping, install permeable pavings, apply cool roof materials, avoid decorative uplighting, and design multifunctional open spaces. So, hope you enjoy the lecture. If you have any question, just leave the comment. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another part, which will be part number 6 tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.